Good, it's you, Santa. So, has Renfield been a good cat? Yes or no? So, I've attached this to his stocking, and it has all the important information about Renfield, what he looks like, just so that you know. Sorry that I didn't put any yellow eyes on it, but that's okay, it's just a marker mistake, but sorry I can't erase it. But these are the two boxes that you can put a check mark in. I promise to leave you a pencil to use, and then put anything you want in there, in the stocking, and then make sure you write back a piece of paper to say if he's been a good boy or not. Love, Keller.